Got you, baby. I wonder what footage we got that time. Well, who knows? I wasn't even watching, but I'm sure it was good. Anything you'd like to say, baby?
I got it punked.
Yeah. That's right. You saw it right here. My beautiful wife just got punked on Snyder Family TV. Brought to you live. 2010 heading into the 2011. Woohoo! That's right. Choo, choo. Choo, 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 choo.